How to enable dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can enable a dark mode on TikTok. Now, TikTok did not have an official dark mode toggle within the app settings. However, TikTok's appearance can adapt to a system-wide dark mode settings on your mobile device. Here's how you can do it. Now, if you launch your TikTok application, after you're logged into your account, go to your profile in the right hand side corner and then click on the tab bar icon. After that, go to settings and privacy. Now, this is going to direct you to the settings and privacy piece. Over here, if you see, there is no such feature as dark mode. So unfortunately, there's no such option as dark mode. Now what you can do is, apart from that, the alternative is that you can go to your settings of your devices. After that, you can go to display, and over here you can just go ahead and toggle a switch for dark mode theme. After that, you can just enable a dark mode on your TikTok application as well as on your entire device. So that is how you can enable a dark mode feature on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.